Hey everyone, I'm Lindsey, and today I'm joined by
Amalia. I'm with the Bolt Company.
And
I'm Ashley Yeager with the Dodge Construction Network, and we're here to give you an exciting preview of what's in store for Kids Building Wisconsin 2024.
This year, we're celebrating a decade of inspiring young minds with over 50 interactive exhibits and activities that showcase the incredible world of construction.
Yep. So get ready for some hands-on fun. Kids are going to be able to try their hand at exploring real construction equipment like excavators and skid steer loaders. They can even hop on a boom lift ride for a thrilling ride and a bird's eye view of the event.
And let's not forget about the popular picnic table station brought by JP Cullen, where your kids can help assemble a picnic table and potentially have a chance to win one and take home. It's a great way to introduce them to basic tools and safety.
Absolutely.
Plus, the first 4,000 kids will receive a great free tape measure. So it's a practical tool you can use on their own projects, or parents. We all love it too. So I can't wait to get some more.
Yes, so we're also really excited to announce the return of Construction Clyde and his friends. They'll be around at the end to greet the kids and take pictures for a lifetime. Speaking of pictures, we will have our picture contest again this year, but it's going to be a little bit different. You will have to like our social media accounts to find out how, so you can go to Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter.
And backed by popular demand is the Kids Workshop presented by the Carpenters Union and Home Depot. And this year they're offering even more activities and do-it-yourself projects for the kids to enjoy.
We really want to thank all the sponsors and remind everyone that our registration is now open, and it's at kidsbuildingwi.org. Also, be on the lookout for the parking plan and shuttle lots, as we only have 88 parking at McKee Farms Park. What are you guys looking forward to the most?
I love the mosaic tiles that Bolt brings, and it's just a great time to see the kids' creative minds at work.
Absolutely. Ash, what's yours?
Mine is always the demo wall. I love watching the kids demolish it, and I actually like to do it too.
I remember seeing you do that. Yeah. So I'm going to say all the big equipment from Airing Equipment and the big crane from Ideal Crane Rental is my favorite. The kids' faces just light up when they are up close to them, and it's really cool.
Yeah, I can't wait. So please join us on May 18th at McKee Farms in Fitchburg, Wisconsin for a fun-filled day of construction, learning, and adventure. So please don't miss out on this exciting event.
Yes, visit us on your social media channels or visit kidsbuildingwi.org to register and see all of our exciting exhibits that we have planned. Have an amazing day. Bye.
Bye.